Kyo bitobito no Enrico desu. And today I will show you Koenji and Asagaya, the place where I live, the place where I choose to live. Funny, amazing, with a lot of things to see and to watch. Come with me. Sunsets in Koenji are something very difficult to explain. You have to see it. It's something related to colors, to the air. Look at the sky and make me feel peace for myself. Something that I really love it. Billiard&Dartsbar, my favorite place in Koenji at all. You can have darts, billiard, and the characteristic of this place is that it's a metal bar. We spent so much time here. For example, this is a part of Tokyo that I really enjoy. It's the part that remains basically as the old style Tokyo, with small places and lights, lamps. This is Tokyo for me. Not Shinjuku, it's this, basically. And this is my place. This is my personal Italian place. Doge is a Japanese owner that decided to open a Venetian-style restaurant where you can eat real, tasty Italian food. It's a really amazing place to eat, and they really can cook.